Good morning, Oak Park. I'm Alex Beals, and today is Friday, April 18th.
And I am Solomon Hipsh. We hope you are tuning in every Monday and Friday during Advisory for your cutting-edge news.
This Wednesday, the Oak Park Improv team had their last show of the season where they named next year's captains, Drew Chamberlain, Carter Sanford, and Natalie Seitz. If you're interested in joining the improv team for next year, tryouts will be on April 30th right after school. You don't need to bring any extra items or prior experience, just bring yourself and a silly attitude. The team will be officially announced on May 4th at the theater department's final bow ceremony.
Congratulations to the prom candidates. The nominees are as follows. For the queens, we have Kelsey Cobb, Liv Loff, Nora Martin, Annabelle Tottenhausen, and Shelby Wisdom. For the kings, we have Zeke Brown, Truman Camarda, Donovan Jones, Tristan Perez, and Cam Wall. The king and queen will be crowned at the dance, but if you can't attend, then you can check out our Instagram page for more updates as we get them.
Today is the prom assembly during AR for juniors and seniors, and the dance itself is this Saturday, April 19th from 8 to 11 p.m. at the View in Briarcliff. Have a lovely night, Northmen. And don't forget, the theme is masquerade, so masks will be allowed at the dance. But they can only cover your eyes, and you must have a valid school or state-issued ID ready to present when you enter.
Monday night, April 21st, Stuco is hosting yet another study night at Class Act Coffee starting at 5 p.m. This is a great chance to study for upcoming EOCs and AP tests, so be sure to join them for some treats and some study time.
Monday night is also home to the last PTSA meeting of the year at 7 p.m. in the Media Center of the library. Hot dogs, chips, and drinks will be available at the meeting, so be sure to head out for that.
Next week, the Science Olympiad team goes to state at UCM, and the Thursday before AR, the team will have a state send-off, so be sure to show up to support our Northmen.
Graduation is fast approaching, seniors. Gown pickup is actually April 22nd during AR and lunch. Laptop turn-in is May 5th unless you need it for an AP test. Your final day of school is May 8th, and graduation is May 16th. Be sure to keep up those grades and attendance even as the end approaches.
Do you want your prom pictures from this weekend featured on the acts? Well, then if you do, please send them in to our producer, Alex Beals, at 723-157@nkcschools.org. Again, that is 723-157@nkcschools.org.
And speaking of prom photos, what's the weather looking like for the dance tomorrow and for the rest of the week? Over to Ben Haas with the weather.
Good morning, Oak Park. Today we have a high of 68 degrees for today with cloudy skies. This weekend we get more into the rain side with 2 days of rain, and then next week we return back to sunny skies and highs in the 70s.
Thank you for that weather update, Ben. It looks like we'll have some pretty heavy rain ahead of us this weekend, so be sure to have a plan B if your photos are scheduled for outdoors.
There's even more stories and coverage of Oak Park's news and sports on the Northman News website, so be sure to read more of our stories there.
And thank you all for watching. I've been Alex, and I'm signing off for all of us here at the Axe. We hope you tune in again next week for more cutting-edge news.
And as always, Northmen, remember to be ready, respectful, and responsible, because that is the Oak Park way.